Another easy way of actually finding your audience is looking behind you. Because for a lot of us, when we actually create digital products, sometimes you're going to find it's for the younger version of you. It's the version of you from 6 months ago, a year ago, 2 years ago, who was new to this, who hadn't got a clue. Right now, again, going back to these videos, you could be an expert on videos. But say maybe 2 or 3 years ago, your very first day online, you're thinking to yourself, well, what do I do? Do I do it on a phone? Do I buy a camera? Can I do this? And what microphone and tripods and what software? And, your head was spinning with all the different questions you had. So what you simply do is, right now, you just put yourself mentally back in the younger version of you, and then you just simply write down the questions that you had when you were starting off. And then what you can do again is just go to YouTube, just go to Google, and then type in that question and see how other people are answering it. And as you're looking at the search results, have a look at some of the products that people are selling. And that'll give you an idea of what you possibly could be doing as well. That if somebody is actually selling to an audience, there's no reason why you can't sell to that audience as well too. If you find that maybe you do a search on Google and nothing comes up, or nobody is selling on that topic. Well, if nobody's selling on that topic, you can probably be guaranteed that there's no money on that topic. So right away you can mark that off your list and not go down that route because there's no money in it.